Fascinating work.
And stir them.
Marvelous. Spoon. Is that controlled by a laser-guided or perhaps a hydraulic stir?
Wonderful.
I'll take it. You see, I've sworn off to spoon technology. Now, what do you have in the way of a manual weapon for destroying blue?
Call for the beloved and all, Sonny. But you can't go wrong, classes.
I'll take 50 of each.
Shall I have them delivered to your
Bowl. No. I've abandoned my bowl.
I called this emergency meeting of both Lightning Ass to report Eggman has deserted his
bowl.
Should we take it over?
Doug, prepare free battle for the ages.
Serious?
Does this look serious?
No. Yeah.
Look at this place! The answer to all our problems! An evil
bowl
full of dads! And what dibs on the
I got this. Sit, I got